I'm just like, is this focusing on me or not?
And I'm still hard body, I don't feel nobody when I'm with somebody. On my friendship solid, I get big deposits on my website. Every inch, city dependent. I gotta finish it, I wanna ping, she wanna ping.
What's up, bad bitches? It's Christian Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a Bantu knot tutorial today. You're gonna need 1 pack of this braiding hair. You're also gonna need these rat tail combs. You're gonna be using the end the most of the time. This is definitely a need when it comes to perfect parting.
Edge fixer glued. This is like the edge control I live by. Really good. It's not in the textures. It's really not just for edges. It's just a good hold in general. It also is biotin 87 infused, as you can see, and this is the collab that Sweetie actually did, by the way. This is her gel. It's my Hello Kitty mirror. It's so cute. It actually has a light too, but it's dead right now. But I mean, you don't need the light when it comes to like doing your hair. Of course, you have your main light. The light I use more of like for makeup and just certain things like that. But yeah, you're definitely gonna need this. When people always ask, you know, how do people part the back of their hair, yada yada yada. You know, a lot of it has to do with having another mirror, and then you're gonna look into this mirror to see your hair in the mirror, the main mirror. So you're basically looking at this mirror in front of you to be able to see your hair in the back in your main mirror. You're gonna need rubber bands, and people say that, you know, this damages their hair. Me personally, the way that I do, I also double them up in the way that you take your hair down. You know, it shouldn't be pulling out any of your hair. So as long as you're careful, I mean, you'll definitely be okay. I have great healthy hair, as you've seen. If you go through my channel, make sure that you do, so you can see how great and healthy my hair is, and it doesn't pull out any of my hair. You guys, so this is what we're looking like right now. We're looking really crazy, I know, but basically I've already done like the back and the hardest part, which is the heart, because there's just no way I was going to be able to record and show you guys that. But I'm going to show you guys the parting, you know, up here on the side, and then of course you know, just the detail of how to get the Bantu knots, how much hair to use, all that good stuff. I'm just taking my rat tail comb, and I've already made this part, but I'm actually going to clean it up. Okay, so you see there we have a perfect straight part. Perfect to me, at least. I don't need any shit talkers in the comments. You can do it better, baby. Then you post one so I can watch your tutorial too. So there's some parting down the middle, and then if I see anything wrong, I go ahead and start completely over. So I'll pull it again, start over. And I'm just gonna check for myself. Hold on. A little bit further back. That looks like how I want it to be. So I'm gonna get this out the way with one of the rubber bands. And just do it lightly. And like I said, also I moisturize. 1 second. Also, you know, deep condition and make sure that I moisturize very well and, you know, keep protecting. But yeah, as long as your hair isn't dry and you are doubling up on the rubber bands, you'll be good to go. I took some of that product and I'm brushing it through my hair. Then the rubber bands, like I said, make sure that you are doubling them up If it gets this, that'd be great. As you can see, I've doubled up the rubber bands. And I usually just go around 3 or 4 times. That's usually good enough. Okay, so now I'm just gonna brush the front one, get all the edges in. Because I like to leave out like the extra edges. So like these hanging pieces, you know, that's extra to me. So all around here, I like to keep it, you know, really slicked in and nice in the Bantu knot. You see how sleek that edge control gets your hair? It gets amazing. So I hope you guys can see that. I hope it's focusing. But yeah, it's really sleek. Really, really good. Okay, so let me try and get you guys a back. Oh shit. It's like, because I'm making a TikTok too. If you've already seen the TikTok by now, of course. I hope that a lot of you guys came from TikTok to my channel. If you did, what's up, bad bitches? Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for coming. So let's go ahead and show y'all what the back is looking like. So as you can see, I created a heart here, and I'm trying to get the best. So these are the parts so far, and you guys will see it better once we do all the actual knots. So you guys, I'm gonna finish parting this off, and then we'll come back and I'm just like, is this focusing on me or not? So we're gonna come back and I'm gonna get some of these knots out the way so y'all can see the back, and then we'll go ahead and get with the process of how to get the Bantu knots and you know, the best way to get them to last long. It's a good, you know, 2-week style at the minimum. So I'll be right back, you guys. We are back. As you see, I have majority of the Bantu knots done. I'm like, it's no reason to like go all crazy and have me doing it in the back when you can just see the technique the best, you know, in the front. These are not tied on my head at all as well. I know it may seem like it would be, but I mean, as long as you're not being heavy-handed and just going really in when it comes to this technique, you're gonna be fine. Like I said, there's not gonna be any damage. You're gonna be good to go. I take about this much hair, okay, and then I'm basically gonna take my piece of my real hair, and I'm taking the weave under, looping it in basically, and it's basically just like starting a box braid. So now I'm braiding my hair in at the top. Now the hair is attached. Now from here, take a little bit of your gel, moisturizer, whatever you like to use. You're gonna start 2-strand twisting. Okay, and tuck the hair in as you go, because this is what gets this style to last way longer too, instead of when we're just wearing, you know, our hair in the Bantu knots. And then when it gets too short, I can just take some from the other piece and just keep twisting. Because this doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's gonna look perfect when it's in the Bantu knot anyway. Okay, so now that the twist is done, simply all we're gonna do is, you can hold it in place if you want, the top. From the root, you're gonna hold it down and simply just start twisting around. Just like that. I'm just gonna seal it off with one more rubber band. And there we have it. I finished off with the spritz, so I'm gonna use the Pump It Up Gold. I think I just got that on my mirror too. And this will just really hold it in place And then I just like to take my fingers and make sure the product is, you know, laying down. Let me just throw on something, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna get my other brightery. We'll come back and short tutorial because it's pretty simple, but it just gives you such a sexy summer look. Like, this is my summer go-to. I don't know, it'll probably be fall too. I don't know, girl. I'm really in love with the Bantu knots. Like I said, it doesn't hurt. There's not any tension on the head. As long as you're not twisting it extremely hard, you should definitely be like perfectly fine, you know what I mean? And like I said, it's definitely good to have a handheld mirror. It's definitely good, especially when you want to have really good parts. You want to be able to get that heart shape in. You want to have a handheld mirror so that you can see the back of your head. Of course, like I said, I finished off with spritz. I did just lay that very top, you know, curl down or whatever. Like I said, this lasts me 2 weeks. The last time I had it, honestly could have went longer, but I mean, I did like go underwater in the pool and stuff. So if you guys do try out this hairstyle, please make sure that you tag me. Let me know down in the comments how you like this video as well. Let me know if you want to see some more, you know, tutorials, how to with me, because I am a hairstylist. If you're new to my page, just coming here from, you know, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, I am a vlogger. Aside from that, I do hair. I'm a natural hairstylist, doing braids, twists, locks, you know, that type of thing. That's what I specialize in. It's what I love to do. I didn't want to make that like the main thing of my page because I love vlogging, and there's just so many other, you know, levels to my life and aspects about me, and just wanting to just expand and not too much just focus on that anymore. But if you, of course I'm rambling, but if you did love this, I would love to do more. Like I said, it's just such a fresh look. It brings out your face, like just whatever you wear goes with it. And when I wake up in the morning, I just feel so gorgeous with this hairstyle. I always feel gorgeous when I wake up, of course. Just with this hairstyle, it just fits me. I don't know, and I know it's gonna fit every beautiful black woman out there that's watching me. But let me not ramble too much. Make sure that you guys like, share, and of course subscribe and turn on those notifications. My name is Christian. I also go by Chris, bad bitch Chris. Bad bitches with good vibes on the channel only. Let's just make sure that you guys do that. I'll see you guys in my next video.
And I'm still hard body, I don't feel nobody. When I'm with some riding on my friendship solid, I get big deposits on my website.